Hey guys, Kapper here, November 16th, 2021. Beautiful day out here. It's supposed to be 70, but today we're taking out the excavator and we're going to work on one of my food plots and hunting spots. I'm going to do a little land clearing and clear a big ditch line for a couple of different reasons, but let's get out and have some fresh air with the Bobcat. Alright, we are headed out to do some digging. Got some tunes going on. That's November 16th today. I'm going to clear a spot where there's a patch of trees that kind of blocks my view on this particular field. So here's a quick shot of this ditch that I'm going to clean up. I got a food plot on the right side of it and on the left side of it, but it really blocks my visibility back into this little tucked away field. So that's where we are headed right now. So here's a drone shot of this field here, and I remember my very first morning hunt here when we bought this farm like 5 years ago. I had an opportunity at a buck, but he crossed behind this island and I didn't have enough time to where I saw him. So here, this will give you an idea from above. Now let's go back to the does feeding on the plot on the right and let's get the project kicked off for today. So I figured I might as well pull it out. Got a few minutes. Nice day today. Plus I wanted to dig something. Alright, that's the tree island. I may leave that one big tree there on the right, but the rest of it's going. Because it's just a low spot in the middle of this field that grew up. Ah, you eat that. Been a while since we've been in the mini. It's a tree that's tipped over this way years ago, and it was laying this way, and all this stuff grew out of it sideways. So the stump is actually down here, right there. I guess that's where I'll start. there and one over here. This is just a ditch in the middle. Or I make a new watering hole right here, one or the other. Things are really in there, man. I don't know. These are scrub trees. I don't know what kind they are, but man, they got a tough root. Out or stumps, so I have decent dirt when I later on when I want to do something different with it. Another good one here. Triple or 3 or 4 together. Dirt's a little softer here where it's probably a little wet. It's easier to tip them over. This winter I'm going to do more improvements here on our farm. And it also depends if we sell that 38, or I should say how long it takes. I'll still keep working on it, you know, fixing that one up. We're just not going to invest a bunch into it like we were gonna before. I mean, life just sneaks up on you, know. Here we are looking at trying to get Sharon to retire in a couple of years and making plans. Health insurance is the biggest thing, really.